Hey everyone! So, are you trying to log into Grammarly but it just won't let you in? Maybe the login page keeps loading, your password isn't accepted, or the account simply won't sign in. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you're trying to get work done. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix the Grammarly login problem. These quick steps usually solve the issue in just a few minutes. All right, first, make sure your login details are correct. Double check the email address and password you're entering. It's easy to accidentally type the wrong email or forget which account you used when signing up. If your password isn't working, try resetting it. Just click the Forgot Password option on the login page, then follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache. Sometimes stored browser data can interfere with login sessions, especially if the site has been updated recently. Some browser extensions can block login pages from working properly. If you're still stuck, try temporarily disabling other extensions in your browser and then attempt to log in again. If the login problem continues, try opening Grammarly in a different browser or on another device. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser settings or something else. One more thing, sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Occasionally, Grammarly servers experience temporary outages. In that case, you may need to wait a little while until the service is fully restored. And that's it. Most Grammarly login problems can be fixed by resetting your password, clearing browser data, or trying a different browser. If this guide helped you solve the issue, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.